What's going on? Another episode of Kyle TV. And in this episode, we are talking about Ethereum and is it going to take over Bitcoin? Now, looking at it today, the markets are a little red, probably because Bitcoin is basically being silly right now and hitting pretty much key levels of support areas right now. If it breaks below 10K, we could see a crazy bloodbath. So anyways, I want to do this video on Ethereum. Enough about Bitcoin. Bitcoin, step aside. We're talking about Bitcoin. Ethereum. Dang it, Bitcoin, you brainwashed me. I'm just kidding. I like Bitcoin, but the way it looks like right now, Ethereum is at $110,000 or $110 billion market cap. All right, Bitcoin is at 177. That's pretty significant. So let's go over to the entire market cap. Bitcoin's dominance only 33%. It's pretty much very low, something, all-time lows almost. And if you look at Ethereum, Ethereum is the dark blue right here. And as you can see, it keeps growing, and it did go back quite down, especially when Bitcoin went on a crazy tear and on to like 20K Bitcoin. But since then, it's crashed and it keeps crashing out. So that's one thing to take note of is this chart right here on coinmarketcap.com/charts. Another thing is if we click on markets, which this is all the exchanges and trading pairs listed for Ethereum, then we have over 400 pairs and possibly even more that they don't even have listed on here. We're not even counting, this doesn't count probably a whole lot, but there's tons. Okay, Bitcoin. All right, we scroll down. It's got a lot of trading pairs as well. No big surprise. No big surprise at all. But with Ethereum, you need Ethereum for ERC20 coins. So if we were to hop over to like Ether Delta or something like that, a lot of these ERC20 coins, especially if we hop on over to like CoinSchedule, most of these ICOs, most of them, not all of them, but a lot of these ICOs are ERC20 type of coins, and you need Ethereum to basically buy them most of the time. Okay, not all the time. You can basically you can basically buy it with Bitcoin too, but you do need an Ethereum wallet. An ERC20 compatible wallet. So that puts a lot of attention on Ethereum, and especially with Bitcoin being really slow with high transaction fees, Ethereum is looking pretty promising. Now, it's debatable as to whether Ethereum can scale. Being a second generation cryptocurrency, can it scale to third generation? That's the question that we have to answer. They already have like an established mainnet. They have etherscan.io where you can track tons of different coins, smart contracts and things like that. Decentralized browsers. There's tons of stuff built on Ethereum. So as far as Bitcoin, it's just a store of value. They haven't even upgraded to the Lightning Network, which is very unfortunate. So could we see a flippening? Well, let's head over to flippening.watch. So flippening.watch is basically taking, it's basically breaking this down by, the top cryptocurrencies, and Ethereum obviously being the #2 cryptocurrency. So it shows you transactions, trading volume, mining rewards, nodes, and Google Trends. So it's a pretty good indicator, and it also shows that the entire market share listed here. Ethereum sitting at 20%, slowly chipping away at Bitcoin. So that's something else that's very interesting. Now, I got flippening.watch from over Crypto Daily's channel. He did a video just recently, I think today or yesterday, about Ethereum flippening. Love Crypto Daily's content. I think he's awesome and one of the best crypto YouTubers out there. So you want to make sure you give him a follow. But I was also thinking this as well, as Ethereum just keeps growing. There's more ERC20 coins. There's decentralized, browsers and applications and games, and there's, it's basically the favorite smart contract cryptocurrency. Obviously, there's Cardano, but Cardano's a ways out before it's going to be a fully working project. Neo is pretty successful too, but Ethereum just light years as far as ahead, and as far as like they have the support, they have the brand, they have an established basically cryptocurrency, and that's what I want to look at. So Cardano, Neo, great projects, nothing to take away from them. EOS as well. These are cryptocurrencies to look out for. Especially Cardano's third generation cryptocurrency from the get-go, built from the ground up to be a third generation cryptocurrency. Now Ethereum, a little bit of debate whether they can scale or not. I think they will find a way. Let me know below if you don't think so. No big deal. So we're going to scroll down and I'll show you an example of basically one of the more popular browsers, if I can find it, is Status. So Status basically is an application that you can actually download on your phone. They have a beta going, you can actually download as well, but it's kind of like a full decentralized. It's got applications, but it's like a browser on your, it's kind of like the App Store on steroids. You can even send, it's got your Ethereum wallet, you can chat, send and receive, store Ether, buy and sell Ether locally. So there's a lot going on with that, and you can even browse other different kinds of Ethereum smart contracts and Ethereum apps, Ethereum-based applications. So it's very cool. It's one of the first projects, from a while back, but there's that for an example. So that's my case that I want to make for Ethereum. Let me know what you guys think. Is the flippening going to happen sooner than we thought? Is Bitcoin going to upgrade to the Lightning network and regain its dominance? What do you guys think? Long run, Ethereum, may still best Bitcoin. If we look at, simple things like how much is Facebook worth in comparison to some other companies, that might be something to take note of, but that's obviously a completely different market. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. Give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video and at the blockchain. Peace. Thanks once again for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video if you enjoyed it. Appreciate you guys. Make sure to watch one of these videos, and I'll see you guys later.